Hello students, welcome to my class. So today I am going to discuss few questions from the chapter periodic classification of element, and together with I will discuss the theory related to the chapter also. So let's start the question answer round. I have taken few questions, few important questions, clear? So now here the question is, now what is the first question given? The correct sequence will show decreasing order of ionic radius. We know, first of all, check whether they are isoelectronic species or not. We know these are isoelectronic species. So we know more the charge, more the negative charge, more is the size. So which has, that is D, O2 minus, F minus, Na plus, and Mg2 plus, Al3 plus. Now we know atomic radius. How many type of atomic radius we have studied? We know generally there are three type of atomic radius: van der Waals radius, covalent radius, and metallic radius. Which has more size? Van der Waals, then there come metallic or crystal radius, then there come covalent radius. Except this, we have one more type of radius which is called ionic radius. So in case of van der Waals and covalent radius of fluorine atom, tell me which have more value. We know, that is, look at this radius is van der Waals radius, this distance. So half of this distance will give you van der Waals radius. So 294 divided by 2, that is 147, and 144 divided by 2 gives you covalent radius, that means to say 72. So what should be the answer? 147 and 72. Again, question number 3, similar type of question. More the negative charge, more is the size. So C is the correct option. Clear? F minus. Now question number 4, which is not the correct order of stated property? We know when we move down the group, size increases, along the period size decreases. So this is the correct one. Now fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, first ionization enthalpy C1, chlorine, fluorine, and iodine. We know fluorine is more electronegative than chlorine. Clear? But chlorine has more electron affinity than, or electron gain enthalpy than fluorine. That means to say C is also correct. Now electronegativity, we know oxygen is more electronegativity negative, and when we move down the group, electronegativity decreases. So D is also correct. Now when we move towards the B option, we know when we move along the period, that is ionization energy increases. So what should be the order? Fluorine, then because here comes nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. So fluorine should have more ionization energy, then after comes oxygen, then after come nitrogen. This is a general trend. But we know if any atoms have half filled or full filled electronic configuration, like P3, P6 electronic configuration, 3d5, 3d10, F7, F14, that means to say they are more stable. And we know in nitrogen they have electronic configuration 2p3, that means to say half filled electronic configuration. So it will have more ionization energy than oxygen. That means to say the correct order is fluorine, nitrogen, and oxygen. Similarly, when we consider lithium, beryllium, and boron, the correct order should be lithium, boron, and beryllium. Beryllium will have more ionization energy than boron. Why? Because beryllium has electron 1s2, 2s2, always remember. So what should be the exact answer? This one is the correct answer. Stated property. Clear? Now let's move to the next one. Wait for a while. Now question number 5. Question number 5, what is given? In which of the following arrangement the order is not according to the property given? We know atomic size completely correct. Iodine, bromine, fluorine, and chlorine, this is also correct. Electron gain enthalpy, because chlorine has more electron gain enthalpy than fluorine, and when we move down the group, electron gain enthalpy also decreases and electron negativity also decreases. But this is the exception here. Now boron, carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen, this is the increasing first ionization energy. Tell me, this is correct or wrong? Wrong. We know here comes boron, carbon, oxygen, then there come nitrogen. So we will say this is the correct answer. Now D1 is also correct. D1. So this, which one is not completely arranged? C. Now next one, question number 6. The symbol and IUPAC name for the electron with atomic number 110. We know for 1 we write un, for 2 we write bi, and for 0 we write nil. So unbinilium, where unbinilium, and symbol is U, B, and N. So A is the correct option. Clear? Now acidic character, we know there are generally 4 type of oxide: acidic oxide, basic oxide, neutral oxide, and amphoteric oxide. Generally non-metal oxides are, we know non-metal oxides are acidic, Metal oxides are basic. Few example of neutral oxide, there's carbon monoxide, like water, like N2O, like NO, like MnO2. These are neutral. Neutral oxide means not behave as acidic as well as basic oxide. Now there comes amphoteric oxide. What are amphoteric oxide? Those oxides, tell me. Amphoteric oxide, those oxide which can behave acid as well as base. So we will say these are called that what? Amphoteric oxide, like Al2O3 ZnO. So now the case is, when we move along the period, metallic nature decreases. That means to say acidic nature of the oxide increases. And when we move down the group, acidic nature of the oxide decreases and basic nature increases, because when we move down the group, metallic nature increases. So what should be the correct option? Tell me. And next one is, more the percentage of oxygen, more the percentage of oxygen, more is the acidic character, and higher the oxidation state, higher is the acidic nature. So what should be the correct option? B, N2O5, SO2, CO2 and CO. Any doubt? No. Now question number 8. What is the correct one? Question number 8. The correct order of ionization energy for carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. As I told you, what should be the correct order of ionization energy? Question number 8. That is the answer is it's very simple. The correct order is C. Nitrogen is more electron. Nitrogen has more ionization energy than oxygen, and carbon is less. So order is like this, na? Carbon, nitrogen and oxygen, because when we move along the period, so this is carbon, oxygen and nitrogen, you can write this, but we know the order should be like this: carbon, yes, this is the correct order: carbon, oxygen, nitrogen. So we let carbon less than nitrogen, then greater than 1. So C is the correct option in this case. Clear? Yes sir, completely clear. Question number 9, which is which of the following is wrong? NS3, PS3, ASS3. We know when we move down the group, hydride or the group 15, the basic nature decreases, acidic nature increases. Means first one is completely correct. Now there comes Li, B and C. Now look at the B option. We know it should be Li, B, then C, because B has fulfilled electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, means which is wrong? B is wrong. Now Al2O3, MgO, Na2O and K2 basic nature. We know when we consider like aluminum, magnesium, sodium, magnesium, aluminum and potassium, when we move along the period, what will happen? Acidic nature of the oxide increases and basic nature decreases. When we move down the group, basic nature increases, acidic nature decreases. So this is correct one, and size is also. So what should be the correct option for question number 9? B is the correct option. Clear? Now let's move to the next one, question number 10. Now question number 10, what should be the correct option? Tell me fast. That is the radii of F minus O2 minus. Now I have discussed earlier. So what should be the correct option? D is the correct option. Is it clear to you? Yes. One thing here, F minus and O2 and O. Yes, that is D is the correct option. O2, F minus, oxygen and fluorine. First of all, you have to compare this one, then you have to compare this one. Clear? Now, which of the following is the maximum number of unpaired electron? Now tell me which has maximum number of unpaired electron. We know that is question number 11, that is iron, Fe2 plus. Fe2 plus has more unpaired electron because it has electronic configuration Fe2 plus, that is 3d6. Clear na? Because total electronic configuration 4s2, 2 electron with 3d6. When we feel like this, clear na? Wait for a moment. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Now how many unpaired electron? That is 4 unpaired electrons. So answer is D. Now the incorrect statement among the following is very simple. You just read it out. The first ionization potential of aluminum is less than first ionization potential of magnesium. This is completely correct, because again first ionization potential aluminum is less. Why? Because magnesium again fulfilled electronic configuration. The second ionization potential of Mg, the second ionization potential of Mg is greater than the second ionization potential of Na. Let's check. Second ionization potential means it is Mg is in no second ionization potential Mg. This is the wrong statement, na? This is the, because second ionization potential of Mg, because Mg has electronic configuration 1s2 2s2. I'm writing here 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2. When it release one electron, it configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. Now this one is now not a fulfilled electronic configuration, so it can easily release. So second IP of Mg is less than the second ionization potential of Na. This is wrong statement. Less, it is not greater. Clear? The first potential of Na, first ionization potential of Na is less than first ionization potential of Mg. This is the correct one, because we know Na has electronic configuration 3s1 and Mg has 3s2. D, the third ionization potential of Mg is greater than the third ionization potential of Al. Bilkul, completely correct. So question number 12, B is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next one. Question number 13. According to the periodic law of element, the variation in the properties of element is related to the we know that is atomic number. Theory based question. Question number 13B. Now identify the correct order of size. What should be the correct order of size? Tell me the correct order of size. As I told you, the question number 14, that is A is the correct option. Clear? Now let's move to the question number 15. What is question number 15? Read it. That is, following statement regarding the periodic trend of chemical reactivity of alkali metal and the halogens are given. Which of this statement given correct picture? Chemical reactivity increase with increase the atomic number down the group in both. No. In case of alkali metal, chemical property increases down the group, but in case of halogen, chemical reactivity decreases down the group. That are we can say just opposite to each other. So question number 13, second one, in alkali metal, look at the reactivity increases, but in halogen it decreases with increase. The B is the correct one. So do not need to read all the options. Clear? Now question number 16, which of the following arrangement the sequence is not strictly according to the property written here. Now which is not HF, HCl, HBr and HI. Here is a sign like this. We know increasing acidic strength because when we move down the group, acidic strength increases. Question number 16, A is the correct option. A is the correct statement. They are asking not according. NS3 PS3 is increasing basic strength. No, when we know when we move down the group, acidic strength increases, basic strength decreases. So answer comes B. Question number C, B, C, O are an increasing first ionization. Completely correct. CO2, SiO2, SnO2 increasing oxidizing power. Yes, completely correct. So B is the wrong option. Clear? Now in which is the order is wrong. NS3 PS3 AS3 completely correct. LiBeB, this 17B, look at it, should be Li boron then beryllium. Clear? Al2MgO, this is correct. Ionic radius, this is correct. Now the correct order of electron gain enthalpy with negative sign of F, fluorine. We know chlorine has more electron affinity than fluorine, than bromine and iodine. Generally we know when we move down the group, the electron affinity value become less negative, or we can say decreases. But here chlorine and fluorine exception, chlorine has more electron gain enthalpy than fluorine. So question number 18, we can say sir B is the correct option. Clear? Now question number 19, which of the following has largest radius? We know more the negative charge, more is the radius. So answer is question number 19, B is the correct option. Which of the following has largest ionic radius? Yes, O2. Largest ionic radius is O2 to O2 2 minus. This is some contradictory. O2 2 minus, like it should be O2 minus, it should be better. That's O2 minus, like this. Okay, which of the following has largest ionic radius? But when we compare, actually I'm just giving some time, we have a confusion. I'm taking here, wait, I'm taking here Na plus, and here is I'm taking Mg2 plus. Now it's better to understand it. Now these are isoelectronic species, so you can easily compare. in case of isoelectronic species, more the negative charge, more is the size. Is it clear? Now solve question number 20, 21. Do fast and reply me. What should be the correct answer in this case? Question number 21, 22. Do fast. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Clear? Now let's move to the question number 20. Which of the following arrangement represent the correct order of least negative to most negative electron gain enthalpy? We know when we move along the period with few exception, then electron gain enthalpy become more negative. But group 18, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon, they have positive values of electron gain enthalpy. Always remember, group 17 element has more negative values of electron gain enthalpy. Always remember this. So question number 20, there's a calcium, aluminum, carbon, oxygen, and fluorine. As I told you, when we move along the period, electron gain enthalpy becomes more and more negative, and when we move down the group, electron negativity becomes more less and less negative, or you can say becomes positive. Clear? Now, which of the following element represent high electropositive as well as highly electronegative character? Now tell, we know fluorine is the best answer. Yes, sir. It is very good. Am I right or wrong? Which of the following is highly electropositive as well as highly electronegative? Hydrogen, not fluorine. We know hydrogen form H plus or H minus also. So answer is not C. This is A. Which one of the following has highest value of ionic radius? Tell me which one has the following. Again, the same question we have. Actually, we am not going to consider this question, because here the another concept also comes, because when we move along the period, that size decreases. So if I compare lithium and oxygen size, lithium has more size than oxygen. But as I told you, more the positive charge, less the size, more the negative charge, more the size. So I don't want to move the concept. Otherwise, if there are not isoelectronic species, but this concept is true when they are isoelectronic species. But look at, these are not isoelectronic species. So in this case, we have to follow the general trend. So general trend, what should be the general trend? That is, in this case, Li and B3 minus. So I'm just releasing this. I'm writing same Na plus and Mg2 plus. So better move this answer. Same question, question number 19. So question number 19 and 22. Now question number 23. This is a very easy question. Question number 23. D is the correct option. We know, as I discussed the reason behind it. Question number 24. Sir, it's very simple. Question number 24. That is A is the correct option. Clear? Which of the following represent the increasing order of the radius? Look at. Clear now? Oxygen, first of all, we have to compare O2 minus H2 minus. When we move down the group, size increases. Then compare N3 minus and P3 minus. When we move down the group, size increases. So this is the correct arrangement. Always remember, these are not isoelectronic species. So compare one by one. First O and S. Now compare O2 minus and N3 minus. More the negative charge, more is the size. So order is O2 minus, then N3 minus. Then there come H2 minus, then there come P3. This is a very good question. Always remember, don't get confused. Clear? So you got the concept of isoelectronic species? Yes, sir, we do. Now, wait for a moment. We have few important things you have to remember. Just take the screenshot of this one. Clear? Most electronegative element, less electronegative element. Take the screenshot ले लो. It is helpful for you. Clear? Now the next one is, wait. Take the screenshot one by one. Pause the screen and take the screenshot. This will help you. Just memorize before the examination. Like this, take it. वेट, एक बार मैं फिर से कर देता हूँ. वेट, pause the screen. This is 31. Take the screenshot now. 4360. Now take the screenshot. Okay, clear? Now this is the order of atomic radius like this. We know general, this is a general trend. Atomic radius along the period decreases down the group, and I think you have studied scanning effect, because we know when we move along the period, effective nuclear charge increases. Due to this reason, size decrease. This is a general trend. Now these are the few solve question. Now solve it. Now look at, for the element X, student Survi measured its radius 102 nanometer, 113 nanometer, Mr. Agarwal 10. So with the teacher explained the measurement were correctly by saying that recorded value 3 student. What should be the correct order? We know van der Waals radius, metallic radius, and covalent radius. So answer should be A. Now which oxide of nitrogen is isoelectronic with CO2 oxide? Now consider, we know isoelectronic means total number of electron. Look at in N2O 22, in CO2 22 electrons. So answer is C. Now next one is question number 3. Give the correct order of initial true and false. Now tell me, top position of Lothar-Meyer atomic volume curve are occupied by alkali metal. This is completely true. Yes. Number of elements present in the fifth period of the periodic table is 32. Now fifth period of the periodic table, is it correct or wrong? Total number of element is should be 18. Now second ionization potential of Mg is less than second ionization potential of Na. Yes, completely correct. Means true statement, false statement, then true statement. And a p orbital can occupy maximum of 2 electron. A p orbital can contain maximum not 6, maximum 2 electron. So true, false, A is the correct option. Clear? Now let's move to the next one. Question number 4. The electronic configuration of an element is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. The atomic number of the element present just below the atomic. This is wrong one looking, na? This is wrong, no? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1, 3p3, 3d2. I think it looks atomic number is 16. This looks slight wrong, but it can be considered. Sometime it can be written, but I am not considering this question. इसको मैं नहीं ले रहा हूँ, confuse हो जाओगे. ये classroom theory था. So anyways, no issue. Pardon, थोड़ा सा wait करो. Yes. Now question number 5. Which of the following is correct relation? ये याद रखना है आपको. Always remember. Clear? Because we know electron negativity is equal to ionization potential plus EA by 2. So इसको solve करोगे तो this is the formula. ये this is VVI. Always remember C is the correct option. Now PD has exceptional value valence electronic configuration. We know Zn, CD, Hg. These all are the D block elements. Similarly PD also. So PD has group Ns plus N minus 2. So 8 plus 2, 10. So 10 means we know group 10 and period is what? Fifth period. ये तुम लोग easily जानते हो. I think I have discussed these things. Na? Write down the electronic configuration. 5s2 higher value means fifth period and total electron 10. D electron 10. So fifth period and group 10. I have discussed these things. Na? चलो थोड़ा सा और आगे आ जाओ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. The IP2 is given. The element is likely to. Now look at IP1 is very less, then slightly less, then more, and after that more. So element should be, that meant to say this 4 value is very less value. Then after the sudden increase, after the sudden increment take place. Look at, ठीक है, sudden increment, that meant to say it has electronic configuration like NP4. means ये आंसर क्या हो जाना चाहिए? सिलिकॉन हो जाना चाहिए, because सिलिकॉन का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक pardon, like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. means outer most में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन होना चाहिए? 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन होने चाहिए. 4 easily रिलीज हो सकते हैं, but after releasing 4 it has electronic configuration noble gas. So it's very tough to release last now fifth electron. That's why the fifth IP value is more and more. So answer is silicon. Clear? Question number 8 पे आ जाओ बच्चा लोग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 क्या है? द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ सम न्यूट्रल एटम आर गिवन बिलो, व्हिच ऑफ दिस एक्सपेक्टेड टू अ हाई सेकंड आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी? जल्दी बता दो आंसर। देखो इसका आंसर गिवन है, तुम इजीली कर सकते हो। व्हाट वुड बी द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ द नेक्स्ट इनर्ट गैस इफ डिस्कवर्ड इन फर्दर? नेक्स्ट इनर्ट गैस, वी नो वी हैव द मैजिक नंबर 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, 32। सो जो लास्ट में है उसमें 32 ऐड कर दो, सो आंसर शुड बी दैट इज 1118। और अभी तो वो डिस्कवर हो भी चुका है, 1118 वी नो, ये इनर्ट गैस ही तो है। नाउ अरेंज दिस वन। In this case, this is VVI question. This is the up block element question. Arrange Ce3 lanthanum PM YB in increasing order. We know lanthanide contraction observed in the ion. Ionic radius decreases as atomic number increases. ये बहुत VVI है, ये आप पढ़ चुके होंगे। चलो आ जाओ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 में हम लोग चलते हैं। थोड़ा सा वेट करो, बिल्कुल। चलो आ जाओ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 देख लो, बन जाएगा। द पैरामैग्नेटिक स्पीसीज अमंग द फॉलोइंग। पैरामैग्नेटिक मींस विच हैज अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन। किसके पास अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन है? लुक एट आयरन 3+, आंसर इज आयरन 3+। क्लियर? आ गया समझ में? बिल्कुल, कहीं कोई प्रॉब्लम वाली बात नहीं है। चलो, कैलकुलेट द एनर्जी नीडेड टू कन्वर्ट 3 मोल्स ऑफ सोडियम एटम इनटू गैसियस स्टेट टू सोडियम आयन। द आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी ऑफ फर्स्ट 495 है, तो 3 मोल के लिए क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 हो जाएगा। क्लियर? Question number 13. The ionic radius of chromium is minimum in which of the following compound? We know more the positive charge, less the size. Here chromium is in +3 oxidation state. Here is also in +3 oxidation state. यहाँ पर +3 है, but here the chromium is in +6 oxidation state. So higher the oxidation state, less the size. बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, that is K2CrO4. Now next one, correct decreasing order of atomic size. ये बहुत easy है, C is the correct option. ये तो तुम जानते ही हो। और ये Z/E रेशियो से भी देखते हैं। इन आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक आयंस द एटॉमिक साइज डिक्रीजेस एज Z/E रेशियो इंक्रीजेस। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 15। द electronegativity of HXO are given on the nature of the compound. We know more the electronegativity difference then more is the basic nature। ठीक है, तो देखो क्या हो जाएगा। If OH bond breaks, clear, that mean to say it is basic. Look at the answer is इसका क्या हो जाएगा बच्चा? ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, याद रखना, that is basic. The electronegativity of HXO means HO or X. Clear? Now given, now OH bond will break. Look at the electronegativity. More the electronegativity difference, it will break first. So it is basic in nature. Look at oxygen का क्या given है, जल्दी बता दो। H का क्या given है? 2.1। देन X का क्या given है बच्चा? 0.8। ऑक्सीजन का क्या given है? 3.5। What is the electronegativity difference here come? That is 1.4। and what is the electronegativity difference comes here? 2.1। clear? यही तो है, 2.1, 3.5, 1.4 एंड 2.7। मोर द इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिफरेंस, इट विल ब्रेक फर्स्ट। सो ये किस नेचर का होगा? बेसिक नेचर का हो गया। आगे समझ में बच्चा लोग? चलो नेक्स्ट आ जाओ, बाकी ये सब मैंने आपको करा दिया। क्लियर? सो दीज आर द फ्यू थिंग्स, इनको एक बार रिवीजन कर लो आप, और एक बार सारे क्वेश्चंस को रिकैप कर लेना। वीडियो मैं पॉज कर दूंगा, वीडियो मैं तो नहीं कर सकता, आप लोग पॉज कर लेना और सारी चीजों को अच्छे तरीके से देख लेना। नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं फिर और अच्छे क्वेश्चंस लेकर आऊंगा। टिल देन बाय बाय, थैंक यू सो मच।